In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect bank account with Expensify. First, open the Expensify home on your browser. From the left sidebar, choose Account, then open Wallet. In Wallet, find Bank Accounts and select Add Bank Account. If the sidebar is collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can see the account and wallet options. Interface labels may vary slightly between desktop and mobile, but the flow is the same. Expensify will ask what you want to do with your bank account. Make payments or get reimbursed. For this walkthrough, choose Get Reimbursed for now. This links an account to receive reimbursements. Next, search for and select your country, then choose Next. Pick the currency that matches the account you're connecting. Enter the bank identifiers, SWIFT code, account number, and routing code as prompted. Tip: copy these directly from your bank statement or official portal to avoid typos. If your country uses IBAN or different fields, Expensify will adjust the labels accordingly. Click Next. Provide the bank's information, the bank name, the bank's street address, and the city where the branch is located. If you're unsure, your bank's website or statement usually lists the official address. Click Next again. Now add the account holder details exactly as they appear on the bank account. Type the holder's full name, the holder's street address, and the city. Select the account holder country from the drop-down. Consistency matters here. Mismatched names or addresses can cause verification delays. When everything looks correct, choose Next. You'll land on a confirmation page that summarizes the country, currency, bank identifiers, bank information, and account holder details you just entered. Take a moment to review every line. Correcting mistakes now is much faster than troubleshooting failed reimbursements later. To finish, check the box acknowledging that you accept Expensify's terms of service. Then click Confirm. Expensify will save your bank account to your wallet under Bank Accounts. Depending on your region and your bank, Expensify may perform additional checks or ask for follow-up verification. If you see any prompts, just follow the on-screen guidance and keep an eye on your email for status updates. That's it. You started from the home screen, navigated to Account and Wallet, added a new bank account for reimbursements, supplied the required country, currency, bank, and account holder information, reviewed it, accepted the terms, and confirmed. Your account is now ready to receive eligible reimbursements in Expensify. If you're setting this up for work, make sure the account aligns with your company's reimbursement policy before you proceed. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give it a try now so your next expense report can be paid out seamlessly.